Hello guys, welcome back to the Trading Insights channel. It's still your one and only Forex mentor and a friend and a coach, MME. Okay, sorry I've not been posting for the past few months. I had a whole lot to do and things upon things came up. In this struggle we do a lot. In this struggle, you have to overcome a lot of certain things in order to stay put. You have to sort out some things. In Forex, you can't just focus on Forex alone, most especially if you're a newbie and you don't have a source of income. You need to find something doing, you need to get something doing in order to push you forward. So I've had a lot of things I was sorting out the previous month. That's why I could not make it, I could not post videos. I couldn't come online, post videos for you guys to watch. I had to sort out a lot of things. So, but I'm back now to carry on from where I stopped. This is my welcome back video. I'm gonna be very straight with a whole lot of things. I'm gonna be very straight. I'm not gonna do like the rest of the mentors out there or the Forex gurus that don't tell you a lot. That don't open up so you get to understand from the root of Forex and everything live and the rest. So in this video I'm gonna be sharing my own life experience. I'm gonna open up about the struggles of life, Forex, family and everything. It's not easy. To be very frank, it's not easy, most especially if you are learning on your own, if you are doing self-learning. This is what a lot of mentors don't talk about. They don't tell you the process in which you start learning on your own. They don't talk about what you should do, what you'll be experiencing and the rest, but I want to talk about it in this video, and this is how I want to start with us. So it has not been easy. Let me use myself. It has not been easy dealing with Forex, life, family, career, and the rest. It hasn't been easy, but it's not gonna get easy anyway. You just need to find a way in order to make it. That's just it. And in order to make it, you need to be consistent. You need not to give up. It is okay if you feel exhausted to take a break. I also did take a break. It's okay for our mental health. So I'm gonna be talking about a lot. Come from this family where there's no much support. Let me put it that way. Not all of us comes from a family where we have a lot of support. When I mean support, maybe you have your parents, you have brothers, people around you that support you, that push you, or probably comes from a rich family, but I'm not lucky to come from that kind of family that has support. So that's why I just want to be honest, because I know there are a lot of us or people like me out there that comes from a background that they don't really have support, but they are determined to make it in life with Forex. I just want you to know that you're not alone. I'm also there. I want to be very honest and sincere with us. It's not easy. I won't say it easy. It ain't easy. I'm currently using my phone to record this video. I had issues with my laptop, so I decided to go with my phone. Just wanna start doing something. I don't wanna wait. I just feel like I need to encourage and motivate and inspire others like me, because it isn't easy. When you talk about family, it's not easy. When you talk about career, it's not easy. So guys, if you're in this same shoe as I am, and one thing you need to know is do not give up. If you're in this same shoe, no matter what you go through in life, no matter the difficulties, if you believe that Forex can change your life, do not give up. If you give up, you've stopped. Do not give up. Definitely Forex will change your life. It doesn't come easy, but that's what these professional traders don't tell you. Most of them had to start. They started how we are starting right now, till they got it. It's not easy. It might take you 2 years, it might take you 4 years, it might take you 7 years, it might take you, but it's just that don't give up, be consistent, because the reward is what you see. When you start making money from Forex, you're gonna use, should I say, you use just roughly 2, 3, 4 years to recover all your losses, if at all it will get to 4 years. That's one thing people don't know. That's why they say information is power. When you have the right information and skill, money will come. So I don't want anybody out there that is like you're trying and then you feel like giving up. I don't want anybody to give up. I want you to stay put. I will be taking us here with me. I'll be taking us here with me in this video, in this training, this YouTube channel. I'll be carrying everybody along together with me so that we can trade together. You can know that you're not alone. You're not alone on this. So that you can know that someone else is also going through this and you're not alone. We'll all succeed. Believe me when I say so. So, but something changed my mindset. Honestly, I almost gave up. Not even like motivating you guys here, but I almost gave up. But when I sat down, I look at the professional traders. I see I had to go to their, most of them their Facebook page, most of them their Instagram page. I had to go and start from the beginning and see when they started struggling and see when they started Forex, how they started, what they did, and the rest. I had to go through their biography to see what they went through. And I saw that most of them didn't just start Forex in a day. They started Forex. Most of them has been trading for 2, 3, 4, 5 years before being profitable, before being a pro trader. So I was encouraged by that. That's when I had this mindset shift that I would never give up. Nothing will ever make me give up on Forex. That is how I was able to motivate and encourage myself not to give up on Forex. Because, hey, don't allow anybody lie to you out there. You can't make it in Forex in one day. You can't make it in Forex in 1 year. except maybe you have a professional trader that is guiding you step by step. But the truth is, you still need your own experience, because that professional trader is teaching you and guiding you from his own experience. You will still need your own experience if you want to last longer in the game. So I want everybody to be motivated. And by the way, if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the bell icon to subscribe and to also get notification, because I'll be posting a lot of videos. I'm back full time, be carrying everybody along, and I'm gonna go with you step by step. I'm not saying you won't make mistakes, but I'm gonna guide you all the way through. So I'll be taking us step by step on what to do, where to go, motivationally, psychologically. I'm just excited making this video. You don't know how excited I am, because I've seen a whole lot of people in pains going through this struggle as a Forex trader. But we are not gonna give up. We are getting there. So thank you, everybody. I'm not perfect too. I'll not say I'm perfect, but this time around, I'm gonna take everyone with me. I'm taking everyone along with me, right from my struggling days till when I'm gonna be a professional trader. Because I'm not a professional trader right now, but I will be, because I've never given up. And that's one thing that I can never do, which is to give up. So thank you very much, guys. I want you guys to stay tuned for the next video. The next video I'm gonna be talking about, I'm not gonna be bringing up the chart right now. I want to take everybody and make sure that I clear our psychology first before going into the chat with you guys. Just want to make sure that we have the right mindset towards Forex, because that is what will help us, will push us to grow. So we'll be talking about a lot on our next video. So thank you guys for staying tuned with me. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, because we have a whole lot. See, I came back with a whole lot of vision, a whole lot of motivation, inspiration, and encouragement. I don't want you to miss out. So subscribe to this channel and hit the notification icon so that anytime I post this video again, you guys will get notified. And also, I'll be posting my videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. That's when I'll be posting my videos. I'll be uploading my videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So guys, stay tuned. I don't know the time exactly I'll be posting on Tuesdays and Saturdays, but I might post any time of the day when I'm free. So guys, stay tuned for our next video. Bye. Peace out. Love you guys.